Welcome to Math Defined. It's Mrs. C here. Today we're going to add linear expressions. Before we start adding linear expressions, let's take a moment to understand what they are. Basically, a linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the variables do not have exponents. If we look at the two variables in this expression, we can see that neither one has an exponent. So now that we know what a linear expression looks like, we can simplify it by adding the like terms together. Remember, like terms have the same variable. You can add a linear expression using either a vertical or a horizontal method. I prefer the vertical method, but you should learn both so that you can decide for yourself which method will work best for you, because everyone is different. So let's get into it. I'll start with the vertical method. First, I'll bring down the n plus 8. And then I'll bring down the next part of the expression, n minus 12. Notice here that I made sure to line up the like terms, the variables n and the constants 8 and negative 12. Now I'm ready to add. I'll start on the right, just like we do with all math problems written in a vertical format like this. Positive 8 plus negative 12 is negative 4, and n plus n is 2n. And that's it. We're done. Now let's use the horizontal method. I'll bring down the entire expression, and then I need to identify the like terms. The variables n are like terms, and n plus n is 2n. The constants 8 and negative 12 are also like terms, and 8 minus 12 is negative 4. So you see, it doesn't matter which method you use. The result is the same, 2n minus 4. Let's simplify this one. If you want to try it on your own first, please do, and come back to join us when you're done. Which method did you use? Let me know in the comments. I'll start with the vertical method again. First, I'll bring down the 2w minus 9, and then I'll bring down the next part of the expression, negative 4w minus 5. Notice again that I made sure to line up the like terms, the variables w and the constants negative 9 and negative 5. Now I'm ready to add. Starting on the right, negative 9 plus negative 5 is negative 14, and 2w plus negative 4w is negative 2w, and we're done. Now let's use the horizontal method. I bring down the entire expression and then identify the like terms. The terms 2w and negative 4w are like terms, and 2w plus negative 4w is negative 2w. The constants, negative 9 and negative 5, are also like terms, and negative 9 plus negative 5 is negative 14. Again, using either method, we were able to simplify this linear expression using addition, resulting in negative 2w minus 14. Let me know if these examples helped you out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep math awesome.